Well, meanwhile, there's a look now, a new look at some of the destruction that is happening in Kiev. Aerial footage showing the city, parts of it just destroyed from some of the shelling. And many residents are having, obviously, to leave town. Look at these apartment buildings. It's unbelievable. And so this morning we're told that frequent shelling has been heard, although more distant in recent days. The loud thudding that could be heard, the air raid sirens that go off almost on a minute-by-minute basis. Vladimir Putin is trying to control the talking points, banning media outlets from using the term war when talking about the ongoing attacks. At least 2 independent Russian news outlets that refuse to share his talking points have been forced off the air this morning. And in an effort to intimidate journalists, the Russian parliament has just passed a new rule that basically puts a 15-year prison sentence on anyone who reports, quote, fake news, at least the way they view it.